Hey, we meet up here every day and I show you real life binary options trading. Please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you do that, I promise I'll work hard to make this channel bigger and better with every single episode. I have some great news. For a limited time, you can join the Music City Trader Tribe absolutely free. All you have to do is open your pocket option account using my affiliate link and make your first deposit. And I'll send you 2 trading strategy ebooks and my latest trading sheets. So don't wait any longer. Go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. All right, folks, we are on day number 54, and I've already been sitting here trying to get my mic to work, but I'm not going to do any talking. All right, it looks like this could break. If this breaks this could be it, you know. I have a feeling that it's going to hit this low line and maybe go lower from here. That's what I think's going to happen. You know, I think I want to do a 30-second. I think I want it to, once it jumps up here, you know, I think I want to take a put from here. Yeah, if it jumps back up to this line up here. To me, I don't know. Yeah, now I don't know. This could go either way. Like if it's actually gonna go down, I think I probably should find something else. Yeah, it's the 10-minute. It's just very flat, and it's a dangerous area right here because it's not really doing anything. It's kind of moving down, but it's also moving up. It's expanding downward in a consolidation. And this moment here doesn't really tell me much. You know, it's been down below there. It hasn't gone below there a lot lately. Now it's just pushing back up. Yeah, see how it's got so many jagged edges. I'm gonna set this right here and right there. So if this goes up here again, I'm going to come back to it. If it goes down there, I'm going to come back to it again. I'm going to take this line out. I'm going to take that line out. If it hits either one of these lines again, I'll probably say that it's going to stay within those bounds for the next minute. But I'm going to look around. Actually going to look around for some 30-second. Well, this one's interesting. Kind of going all over the place. Let's see if there's a... Yeah, it's been here before. It's been a little below there too. It's been here and here. That's kind of a here and there. It's been there and there. But if I look at it in 30 seconds, it looks like it would have to go all the way down there. Doesn't tell me much, really. I'm looking for bigger levels that I can trust. This does look like it'll push through there. Only because all the indicators are just kind of pointing down. It's about to bounce off that white line. And it's been kind of going down and then going up, going down, going up. Shot down, shot down. Yeah, this is also not like, okay, Euro GBP, it reached the level. Let's see which reached. Okay, it reached the bottom level. Yeah, if it reaches down here, then I think we could take a 2-minute call. Well, it got down to that level and then it jumped back up. So it didn't. I'll set that alarm again. Go look around. I'll look for any RSIs that are touching. Well, that's a huge RSI touch. Boom! Just smashed that RSI and then went tank down. So that was nice. That was a nice one. I'll put that one over there. Let's see if this one, yeah, this one could go up here. Let's see what we're going to say if that level goes up there. That level is probably like more like right around here. If it RSI touches somewhere around this level here, then I think we could take a 2-minute call. Move this down. Oh, it looks like it might want to. Trying to get rid of that. Okay, so, you know, that could be a good RSI touch. I mean, if it jumps way up there. Yeah, I think it's going to go up from here. Let's see what happened in the 1 minute. Is it a breakthrough? No. Oh, it's a white line. That's why. It's kind of hitting the white line and jumping back. We're 2 trades up today already in the money. I got those 2 in the early session. My mic was on. I was talking, but it wasn't. You couldn't hear me. So, yeah, this is a really big level here. It's hit there multiple times. Hit there, hit there, hit there. It does want to go up to that level, I think. Will it go up there soon? Probably. It's a pretty big level. Only thing is it goes down here, down here, down here. Will it break it? I won't know that until it gets there. Yeah, it's at the white line on 5 minutes. Just retesting. I'm waiting for it to go up. There it's shooting. And it's shooting and it's up there. Let's take it now. It didn't quite hit the RSI. But that's the level. This is a big action level for me. I mean, it's all over there. See? And the RSI, I looked back here in my mind. I didn't say anything, but the RSI hasn't actually touched that 70 line. Okay? It's almost touched the 70 line each time. See? It had way back here. So it's a decent trade, but you know, I jumped on it before the RSI touched. I'm going to put this back to 13 in case we lose this. I don't want to accidentally double up. See, in a 1 minute, that's a strong line. I've got 1 minute left. In 1 minute, it looks decent. So let's call this I always write down in my journal. And this would be so good to win this trade because I would be up a really good amount. So it'd be what, 24, it'd be like 46 or something. Plus 830. Yeah, I'd be up $46. So if I go in here and look at this, I'd be at like 876. I'd be up 2%, which would be so nice. This is possible. Yeah, see, it's at that level, and it's like, oh, I want to go back down. Yeah, I have to start thinking of this as like possibly a loss because it's blocked over. It's breaking over. There it goes. 17 seconds. There it goes. That would be so good. Thank you, Lord. That would be so good. Just one more good push down, like one more slam down, like boom, it wants to go down to this level. No, that's not the direction. No, that's totally not the direction. It's totally not the direction. That's a loss. That's a loss. It's a 30-second. Finally, it's a touch. So I'm going to take it again. All right. So 13. And I'm going to take a 24 if this one wins, because I'm still in the money. This is going above that line. It's a huge RSI touch right here. I'm going to double it up there. Let's see if this actually turns around. It looks like it's persistent though, doesn't it? It really looks persistent. This could get me, I could get myself in trouble. I've taken 2 positions up here. Euro GBP reached its level. Oh, I see. This one reached its level down here. I have to be careful, but if it tanks down there, it gives me an RSI touch. It's been reaching this level and then just jumping back off of it. I'm going to set this level down here so I can go back to my trade. Yeah, this is really, really bad. Where is this going? Yeah, this is going... I'm going to take one more trade on this one to see if it turns around here finally. It's a big RSI break. Oh, wow. Okay. There we go. Boom. I'm going to hit 24 off the top of this. Now, I don't usually stack trades like this, but this one is definitely hit like a major line. This is in the one, this would be a major line. So I can get some of these back. 767. Yeah, so the other day I did the same thing. I stacked these trades up on one assumption. And then this one right here, I'm going to double that one up. So that one's going to turn around too. I think this is going to turn around. I don't know that I'll win this bottom one. It's got a minute left. But I could win these 2 tops. I could actually win these bottoms. So let me see what I just did. Because I lost the 24. Then I lost to 13, lost to 13, okay? And then on that same chart, I took a 24 on the top. I took a 13 that doubled up. And let's see if these win. But even if, I mean, this could be a big turnaround. So I could have a 13, a 13, a 24. I'll be back in the money. Yeah, I'll be back in the money where I started. This is not necessarily... I'll be at 847. So I'll still be... Yeah, if this one wins, I'll be in the money big time. 16 seconds. Oh, this one has to win. So let's go down to 10 seconds. Watch this one win. Hopefully this one wins. I was losing a lot of trades by just the second. So I can't believe this would even go that high. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, so okay, that tied. So that's a win and a loss. The 24 is probably going to be a win as well. And let's see if I think that's true. Yeah. It still has 2 minutes left. It has 2 minutes left. It's way up there. But if this gets up there, then I think I'm going to take another 13. If it goes anywhere up near where I'm thinking it's going. But I think it's turning around. That one looks pretty promising. Yeah, it could break down out of there. Let's see here. Yeah, see, it's going to hit that white line and it's going to break it. So I'm going to take this 30 seconds. That's pretty gutsy right there on that line. But I think it's going to break that line. This is the action line I'm working on right now. Max drawing's 15. Okay. Let's say 14 seconds. Oh man, see that one's got... I'm going to take that down 1. So that one lost. I have to keep up with this. So 13 lost. 13 again. Let's see. 13 lost. No, 13, 13. Those two lost. Was it 13, 24? 13.1. Let's see here. Oh yeah, let's see. Close. That's 13. Double that up because I think that's going to push back. It is seem like it's climbing, doesn't it? 740. Oh wow, I'm under my stop loss now with these open. So let's see, 15 seconds. Oh man, this looks terrible. This looks terrible. I hope this wins because that's terrible. There we go. There, the 24 won. The top one won, and those two lost. 786. All right, so I lost that. The 24 won. Okay. Not doing great. 786. Huh. It's kind of bouncy. It's not making any sense to me up here. You know. It's just a big mess up there. Look at that. It's a big mess. Okay, Euro GBP, the price reached a level. Oh wow, it reached the top level. I'm going to let it shoot back up there. It kind of looks like it wants to go up from there, or it could go down. Isn't that funny? Because it reached that level that I had marked, and then it just shot straight down. I don't like these charts. I need to slow down a little bit and find ones that I like. These giant charts with these giant wicks all over. They're not making any sense. They're just shooting everywhere. And I lost quite a few trades over there. I'm not. See, I'm 786. So 786. So I've lost $44. I'm down 2%. Not terrible. I'm still within the means of my stop loss. But these charts are not making any sense to me. You know, like this one's down here. Hit that line twice, hit that line. Hit that line twice, hit that line, hit that line. Yeah. It's like this one right here is consolidating but going up. So consolidating but going up. So I took a 1 minute trade on this. Let's see what happens on 10 seconds. Yeah, see, it's it hit this bottom line pretty hard, and then it's been heading up. So I think it's going to go up. I kind of don't like watching in 10 seconds lately because they kind of keep jumping out of the money right in the last second, But 24, I'm going to take a double up. Not a double up, I'm sorry. I'm going to take a compound. If this wins, is it in the right direction? Is it really going to go in the right direction? It could go back down to here, I guess. Yeah, so it's been fighting to go up 14 seconds. Now I can't think this is actually going to make a major decision, but it could win. It could start going, but it's fighting. There we got 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go. There's a good win. I won't take that next trade though because it's underneath in this boxy area. I don't know if it's going to rise out of here or not. It appears like it wants to. But it's also got wicks like everywhere. I'm going to look around and see if there's any charts without a lot of wicks. 798 is where I'm at now. Not bad. That's not bad. 1.43. Oh, down 32. Okay. I mean, maybe I just need to be sniping these charts to hit these little levels because they're just, so this one's weird. Yeah. Yeah, if you think this is actually going down. Yeah, I do think this one's going down. I'm taking my 24 there because I think this chart's completely going down. vibe that I got in there, and I got a really good trade on there. We got some time, so let's watch and see if it retracts. I'm on this line here, and this line is in the white line in the 30-second. But in the 1 minute, I think this one's going down. And if we can win that one, then we can actually, let's look at this in 10 and see how, oh yeah, that's ridiculous. Yeah, it's kind of like, it's like stuck there. And it's like stuck. It's like, it is kind of an uptrend in the 10, isn't it? But it's gotten up to here both times in the 1. Yeah. All right, there we go. I'm in on a 46. Now that is me jumping the gun. So 728, I'll be at my stop loss. I'll be below my stop loss if this loses. The 24 is actually almost going to lose. Yeah, the 24 is almost going to lose. So I'm going to take this 24 back. I'm going to take this 24 back from pocket option. I didn't do a double up, but I did. Right now I'm stacking on assumption. So this is dangerous, but I haven't been winning the other way. This is a very big assumption this is a dangerous assumption. I mean, it's not really a dangerous assumption because, we have it going down. We have it going down there. We can watch this and just talk about it and try not to freak out on it. I'd like to see it go down. We've also had it going down like this. We had that one. And then we've had this also going down. I mean, I saw this in my mind. I didn't draw this yet, but I saw this happening. It's kind of a downward thing. So there, the 24-1, I got my 24 back. We have sort of this going on. A minute and a half. If it doesn't retrace, then we're going to win that 46, which would be awesome. Because then we'd have 750 and 86. And we'd have 836. We'd be, with all of these losses, we'd be back where we started. And then I think we'd be in the money by $6. And actually 13. Yeah. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this down with 13. So if my assumption is right, if this actually goes where I'm thinking it's going and it doesn't do anything strange, like if it just follows its normal retraction, then I'll actually have money and money. So in 30 seconds, if this goes down and I win that top one, I'll be back about where I started. And then this $13 trade will be the final thing. This has got 2.5 minutes. It doesn't matter if it does a little tiny retraction, as long as it doesn't go way up there. That I'm telling you, it feels rigged right now on me. It just feels rigged. So I'm going to win that top one, and my assumption is that it is going to keep going down to the bottom. So I have 2 minutes, and I took this trade on this assumption. Now, this bottom line here is jagged, so it's not like the most perfect downward setup. And you see how it kind of hit this line twice at the bottom. It kind of hit this one right here. It kind of hit that one twice, so that line right there is something to watch. So we're going to turn this into a yellow line and maybe make it like 2. If it gets below that, then I think we're going to win this 100%. But we got 140. So see, it hit this line a couple different times. And if it can break this line this time and just stay down, we're pretty good. We're in the top area of this downward motion. We're in the top area. Minute and a half, it's going down. The only danger is if it gets down here and then shoots right back up. But we're at 825 and then 24. 825 plus 24. We'd be at 849. Okay, so let's write this in. We'd be at 849. Let's be up 0.85 is what we'd be. 0.85. And look at it. It's got 1 minute left. It's kind of breaking up off that thing. Yeah, nice. Let's look and see what happens. In this 30 seconds. Yeah, it's under that line. It wants to go under that line. Looks like that can win. Looks like it's kind of fighting. And I'm going to take one more on that line and assume that it's going to break that line. That's a big assumption. It's a big assumption. We got 15 seconds on this top one. No, I'm sorry, 15 seconds on the bottom one. Okay, 15 seconds on the bottom one. No, 15 seconds on that one. See, look how it's trying to lose just by a second. It's trying to lose just by a second. And it won. It won just by a second. Finally, this one seems dangerous. You know? That one seems dangerous. I'm going to just leave that alone because it's bouncing all over the place. There we go. Bounced up. It bounced up to its line. I'm going to take that for 30 seconds. So we have oh, wait. I was on the next page. So we have a 13 as a win. We have a 13 as a loss. And then we're in on 13. So I got to look at this. Well, I'm going to count my trades here in a minute. Hopefully this wins. This looks like it could win. It bounced up there and it's holding down. 5, 4. Oh, see, there we go. 824. Okay, 824. Let's go ahead and pause this for a minute and just think, because right now I'm down negative 0.27. Not down too far. All right. Yeah, see, this is going every which way. Okay, 812, 811. Let's call that 811. I'm now that's a snipe. I mean, what in the world? That's a snipe. I would be down 0.85 if this one loses. But that's a snipe. Did you see that? It pushed up. It had really a lot of up pressure, and then it jumped back down there just for a minute. That's a Todd Anderson snipe right there. Look at that. Yeah. And now I don't know. It could totally break to above. It could totally break above here. If it gets up to here, I'm gonna take a put, because it's not necessarily breaking my channel, but it is kind of breaking the channel. It's not necessarily breaking the channel, but it's not being great either. I mean, it's kind of, is it going to break the channel? Probably. And is it going to go all the way up here? Probably. And when it gets up to this line right here, then, it's tried to break that a couple times. It hasn't. So I don't know. Let's look back here. I'm interested to see what happened here. Oh, it went way below. Yeah, it finally went way below. It stayed below. It went further below than it even needed to. See, these charts are just strange today. I don't know if it's because of the holiday. I don't know. I don't have any idea. That's not. Yeah, it didn't go. This one didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. I thought it was gonna go from here. You can see I thought it was gonna hit there and go down. It never did. It just stayed in the middle. I don't know. 836. I mean, I'm back where I started. I'm actually in the money. That's kind of the funny part is I'm in the money right now. I've been trading for... Yeah, now this one right here, I'm looking at this. This one looks like it breaks down underneath there. I think it could, you know, it's wanted to get down there multiple times, but it hasn't. It's messed around down here a lot. It's trying to go down, I think. If you look at it in one, it's kind of already been down there. It's already doing a retraction. So to me, it's kind of hard to know that. It's almost like, oh, here's one. Here's one. Yeah. I'm taking this based on a couple ideas. Number one, it's been trying to go down this whole time. It's hit this and retracted massively each time. This time, it pierced through, so it went down further. Okay? That time, and I took a 2-minute. It pierced down further, and then it jumped back up. This is a wind up. Now, this is just me trading in the assumption that it's going to actually pierce through. This is a piercing trade. So it's like a wind up and a pierce through. And I'm going to put this in here. And the only downside of this is if you look at it, you can look at it, you can look at it like a wind up. This was a wind up. It hit, it kind of bounced higher this time. And now it's winding up. So I got a minute 10. All it needs to do is continue its downward push to break this, to pierce this bottom line. That's what I think it's going to do. In the 1 minute even, it's doing it almost. It's almost there. As long as it doesn't do some kind of weird retraction in the... if you look at it in the 10, it kind of went down and went up. This is a big wind up. It went down, wound up again. It's winding up to go down is what it's doing, I think. Let me look at these, count these trades. I had 2 losses. I had a win at the end there. I mean, I've lost and won some trades. See, there it is. There's the pierce right there. There's the pierce, and that's the pierce in the 10 second. Oh, wow. Now, see, that is where it pierced and it held up 18 seconds. I hope it just holds down there. I'm going to take a drink of coffee and watch this 15 seconds. Right? Yeah, see? There, it's hitting there again. It's hitting there again. It's got 10 seconds. I don't want it to bounce off there too much. Just kind of a nail biter here. We got 2 seconds, 1 second. There, we got to win. We got to win. We got to win on that one. It's going down. It's going to break below here. And I think it's going to break below here. And I'm going to take this 2-minute trade on a 24 because I think what happened here, and that's going to put me, out of the money if I lose this, but it's just kind of like been very hard to win. So 13, I won, and then 24, this is a compound. This is a safe compound because I already won, and I'm kind of in the money. But it broke beyond this level. This is the level. I would call this the action level right here. This is a pretty big action level. It pierced that level, and unless it does what it's been doing, where it's been kind of like jumping up and down and doing all kinds of wicks, like it's going to do that, fine. I'm looking for some steady down pressure. I'd like to end this session in the money, even if by a little bit. 824 and 46 would be a really nice profit. I always like to count my profit while it's going because I like to be able to say 870. Okay, so if that wins, I'll be at 870, which would be at 1.79%. I really want to win this because that would be such a great profit. But now it's acting like it's acting like it wants to retrace there a little bit, but that's what I thought it was going to do from up here. It wound up and pierced. And when it pierced, I got a little bit of I waited a little bit because it went straight down. It went way down. There, now it's returning 42 seconds. It's okay if it does that a little bit. Now it's got this little consolidation point down at the bottom. It's okay if it wants to consolidate right here. But if it goes above that line, then we're in trouble. If it goes above that line, then we're in real trouble. We're at 20 seconds. So if it breaks this bottom line, I think we're good. If it goes above that line, I think we're bad. If it goes below this line, we're really good. 17 seconds. This could go either way, folks. We're in 17 seconds. Could go either way. I think it's going to win. It keeps wanting to go back up, but it's pushing down there. It's got a nice push in the last 8 seconds, 7, 6, kind of pushing down. Watching that candle stay red. Stay red, 3, 2, stay red, 1, baby. Yeah, we have got it, and we've got profit. 870 is where I'm at right now. The overall plan I'm at is 2,272 because I have assets in cash, assets in Coinbase, and I'm counting all that towards this plan. Climbing up at 870. I'm excited about that. That's 116% gain. 116% gain. That's today is a 1.79% gain. A little bit of wheel spinning going on because of how it works. Because sometimes I win and sometimes I lose. And most of the times I've been winning lately. So that was good. I feel really nice about that. It started out pretty strong. Look at that. It finally broke back above. So it's just enough. And it's like so tempting to keep going. But I think I'm just going to stop today. 1.79% feels like enough. I mean, you know, I'm trying to find patterns. I'm trying to find things that look good to me, and nothing does. Nothing really looks good. I can't even believe I won. And I actually dipped below my stop loss just a little bit today, which isn't make me feel proud of myself. It makes me feel like I pushed maybe a little harder than I should have. It wasn't a ton, but it was that I got into some of those trades and I stacked them up. And they went my way, and that was good. But if they wouldn't have, I would have been under my stop loss. And then I'm not sure what I would have done. Would I have been okay with that, or would I have said, no, I'm going to sit here and try to make that up? Anyway, that's how it goes. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to musiccitytrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to musiccitytrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at musiccitytrader.com.